Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm doing a giveaway entry for DMark's hashtag DMark100. He's doing his 100 subscriber giveaway, and he asked us to pick one of our favorite log. And I have to say, this is one of my favorite logs. It is a really crappy log. I mean, if you take a look at the core, really bad tolerances, and I mean, you can shim it, you can do everything with it. But it's one of the first logs I got when I was on Bonaire, Caribbean island, and this one used to secure my iMac to the window so nobody could steal it, because there was a problem over there. I didn't know anything about logs, so I bought it in a hardware store, and yeah, so well, that's the story about it. The Minecraft M1, 4 pins, shitty bitting. I didn't know shit about logs back then. Problem right now is tensioning with this log. Let me see if I can get it open really quick here. Did not work there. What the fuck? There is no false set state on this log, but I mean, everything slips out here. I mean, that might work. See what I mean? Every time. I picked this one underwater for HV Logic's. What was it? His social distancing thingy he did. Look at the tolerance, how bad it is. Let's see, can I rake it? I haven't tried raking it for a while. I don't wanna fuck it up anymore. I think I have to break it someday, just to see what's in there. It should just be the third pin. There was an overset. I think I raked it underwater. Did I use a worm? I don't remember. Yeah, I wormed it open. As you can see, it's really shitty. Let me see. I want to prove a point. You can core shim it, I believe. That's an option. Let me get it in the vise really quick for the shimming. It's easier. Nope. There's more than... I have to set more than one pin, alright. I don't remember because I usually just like... So, that did work. The other thing you can do with this one. And now I have to look through my stuff here. Oh yeah, here they are. It's a pretty good practice log. That's why I like it, because you can do everything with it. You know. I don't like these shims. I do have others. I mean, they work, but... Alright, what else? What else can I do for you? I mean, I showed you basically almost everything. Let me try a regular pick on this one. Probably everything else is way faster. Not open yet. Huh. I told you guys everything else is faster than single pin picking this one. The tolerances are so bad. And then that happens. Every single fucking time. You can't use like any tension tool you wanna use. Everything slips out. I mean, you can use the big ones, the small ones. Doesn't really matter. You know, even this one is like slipping out, and this log gave me a lot of frustrations, but also a lot of training, if you can believe that. See? Again. The thing I used to have a usually I use a like a paper clip thingy, but I don't know where that is. Okay, now it's going on my nerves. Now he's getting camera shy, I believe. This one is so bad, tolerance. Look at this. I mean, at least it's open, I believe. Shitty lock. Oh yeah, there it is. Well, it is a frustrating lock, but it's still one of my favorites, I have to say. And again, me trying single pin picket, probably won't work. Getting frustrated again, and then I just fuck it. Alright, DMAC, congratulations to you 100 subscribers. I showed you one of my favorite logs with a lot of frustration. This log has given me a lot of frustration. Sometimes an 1100 is easier to pick than this piece of shit. Well, there was a Mintcraft M1 imported from the Dutch Caribbean. I wish you all a great day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.